If you're in need of some extra assistance when it comes to reaching items in the house or even outside, this is the Jellas 23-inch grabber tool. As you can see there, really nice length on this. You can be able to reach things on the shelf as well as outside as well. I like the fact it also has some extra things that come along with it. There you see a shoehorn to help you be able to have assistance when it comes to putting on your shoes. As you can see, the trigger that's there makes it really easy to be able to grab items. And as you can see there, the extender, even reaching items like your keys, can be a lot easier with this reacher tool. If you're outside, you're picking up paper. Here's an example of that here. All you have to do is just use it, grab it. Makes it really easy to be able to grab it and to hold on to it until you're able to dispose of it. Again, this is the 23-inch Jellas reacher tool. Great for spending time outside or even in the home.
Okay, I am reviewing this hardened plastic grabber right out of the box. This is what you get along with the instructional manual. This is not a long grabber. It does not telescope, so what you see is what you get, which creates a problem when you want to use the shoehorn, which is on this end. It's functional. However, if you were to try and use it, because it doesn't telescope, right now it's not near the floor, so I would have a very difficult time. I would have to bend down in order to make it work with my shoe. And of course, if someone is a senior adult owning this, someone with back injury, it will fall short. And another issue that I found with it is that this is about 2 pounds right here on the floor. It's supposed to lift very easily, 2 pounds, and it does lift it, but it doesn't always hold it. And so that is a dislike about it. Now, it does spin on the end here. It will rotate, so that's good. It is magnetic. That is also good. But again, it doesn't grab strongly or securely. And on the other end, functionally, the shoehorn is good. But in order to use it, you have to bend because it's not very long. So that, for me, gives it a less than stellar rating.
Hi everyone, this is a reacher grabber tool that comes with a help manual. This reacher grabber, easy to pull the trigger, doesn't take much effort. And I use this to pick up a variety of items such as loose change, paper that's on the floor, something a bit heavier like my pocket knife, and I can rotate this to a different position, pull it out like such, twist it, put it back in. I like that this has a magnetic tip right there so that it'll pick up. Something like a nail clipper. A hole puncher. Pair of scissors. And if I don't want to use it for a while and I want to fold it in half, I can do this. There's a notch right there. And I can have it in the folded position. Also, this is Shoehorn here. And it can help me put on my shoes. And also help me take off my shoes. So, nice little feature of this reacher grabber. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.